Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this colorful ombre French tip nail stamp design. So I'm going to start off by showing you the nail plate I got. It's by Born Pretty, and it's a French manicure nail plate. Now I expected it to be a little bigger, but I received this. I received it, but I have to say, I guess because it is a French manicured plate, you don't really need it so big, but it does have some fun cool designs on it. So what I did is I removed the blue film. Always remember to take the blue film off. When I first got my nail plate, I didn't know what that was, but remember to take the blue film off. Then I'm going to apply just different colors. This is regular nail polish onto the plate. And I'm going to blend the colors together. And then in the angle, I'm just going to apply it onto my nails. I could have went straight across, but I just like the angle look. Now, this is a really easy and simple nail design. I wanted to make a really simple design that you can see and you can recreate if you want. And then I just cleaned around my nails, and then I'm going to apply a quick dry top coat. I really did like the finished look of it. It's a really simple look, but it's really pretty. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.